Start. Honorable members, cost of medical treatment pushes the poor families into financial crisis. In order to protect them from this crisis, world's biggest healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, has been implemented, providing health protection cover to 50 crore poor people. Under this, so far, about 26 lakh poor patients have availed treatment in hospitals. In order to provide medicines at affordable rates, 5,300 Jan Aushadhi Kendras have also been opened. It is our endeavor to provide medicines at affordable rates to people residing in far-flung areas through these Jan Aushadhi Kendras. The objective is to set up about 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers in all rural areas by 2022. So far, about 18,000 such centers have already been operationalized. Our countrymen can learn a lot from tribal communities. Our tribal brothers and sisters live in harmony with the environment and nature and maintain a beautiful balance between development and tradition. In New India, every effort will be made to create an inclusive and sensitive system in the interest of tribal communities. Many schemes have been implemented for all-round development of tribal areas. Work is in progress to provide learning to earning facilities to the youth residing in the forest areas. In tribal dominated areas, Eklavya model residential schools are being set up for children. The thrust is on value addition and marketing of forest produce through forest wealth centers. Para. Honorable members, women empowerment is one of the top priorities of my government. Empowerment of women and their effective involvement in society and economy is the touchstone of a developed society. The government's thinking promotes not only women's development but also women lead development. According the highest priority of women's security, several effective steps have been initiated with the cooperation of the states. Penalties from crimes against women have been made harsher and the new penal provisions are being strictly enforced. The Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign has brought down female foeticide and improved the sex ratio in many districts of the country. Rural women are the biggest beneficiaries of freedom from smoke through Ujjwala Yojana, vaccination through Mission Indradhanushya, and free electricity connections under Saubhagya Yojana. Women are also being given priority in the registration of houses built under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the rural areas. Nearly 2 crore new houses will be built. Full stop.